There's Josh.
There's Josh. He pulled the stump 6 foot out of the ground.
No.
Do not try this at home.
Only
Brought to you by Redneck Stump Pulling. We're about to hook up to a bigger one over here.
We're gonna hook up to this big one.
No.
Yeah.
Where's that other one at, Josh?
There ain't no big one. That's coming out like easy pie. That's like a rose bush.
It ain't growing.
It's like a rose bush.
We ain't got nothing else to pull out.
This tree right here.
Josh, you can just pull this son of a bitch over. No, that's our cable right there.
Yeah, we're gonna front
power
the
line.
cable. You want to be homeless tonight?
I'm not being homeless, but I got enough money for a room. Why can't we get the outside light on? Don't it work?
I don't know. I fucked around with enough to find out, buddy.